Hello, people. Mhm. If you've been here before, welcome back. If this is the first time that you're here, well, welcome to the channel. My name is Humberto Pina, and this is a series of video tutorials to help people who want to get a better score in the tests. Right now, we're working with the structure section, structure and expression section, TOEFL test, and we're going to move on to skill 31. We were working in the previous video that we have to be careful with the verb forms. In this skill, after the verb be, we may use a present participle for a continuous tense or a past participle if we're working with passive voice. So the verb be in any of its forms can be followed by another verb. This verb should be in the present participle or the past participle form. Like some here where it says, we are do our homework, should be we are doing our homework. Present continuous. The homework was due early, was done early, past participle. This is passive voice, past tense. Tom is take the book, should be Tom is taking the book in present participle using the continuous form. And the book was taken by Tom, it should be was taken by Tom, using the past participle for the passive voice. So remember, after the verb be, we have two choices. The next verb is either going to be in the present participle for a continuous tense, or it's going to be in the past participle for passive voice. Okay. So here we have the exercises. Sorry, exercise 31. Each of the following sentences contains a verb form be. Underline the words twice, and then indicate the sentences are correct or incorrect. So that's at 12 or noon, Sam is eat his lunch, right? So here we have a problem because after the verb be, we should have an either present participle, continuous tense, or past participle for the passive voice. In this case, it should be eating, ing, present continuous. Number two, we are meeting them later today. So we got the verb be here, the ing form. This is the present progressive with future meaning later. Okay. So now pause the video and do the exercise, and you finish, you come back to see what you have done. So pause the video now, and I'll begin when you come back. Okay, now you're back. See, since the message was here's the verb be, took by the receptionist, so it should be was taken, passive voice, receptionist. Being heard was extremely important to him. It's correct, passive voice. The Smiths are built their houses on property that they own in the desert. So here we got the verb be. It should be the Smiths are building, doing it right now. So it's continuous tense. It had been noticed that some staff members were late. So we got auxiliary had, auxiliary been, notice. That's passive voice. That's correct. The report should have been submitted by noon. It should have been submitted. Passive voice as well. Are the two companies merged into one? As the verb be, so it should be are the two companies merging into one? Thank you. He could be taking 4 courses this semester. That's fine. School information has been duplicates on the back of this. No, it has been duplicated on the back of this. Right? Because it is passive. So remember, after the verb be, we should have either an ing form for the progressive tenses or a past participle form for the passive voice. So, yeah. Okay, so if you found this useful, please give a thumbs up. It helps YouTube algorithm. Consider joining channels, speaker and stoker, and share with somebody who might benefit from this type of videos. So until next time, this is teacher Pia saying goodbye.